In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the top players on chess.com. We'll keep this simple and straightforward so you can follow along in real time. First, open your favorite web browser and head to chess.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar and press enter. Make sure you're on the official site with a secure connection so everything loads correctly. Once the homepage appears, you're in the right place. You don't need to be logged in for this. The rankings are publicly visible, so you can browse them anytime. Next, look toward the top of the page for the main navigation menu. You'll see a row of sections like Play, Puzzles, Learn, Watch, and More. Click on More. This menu collects a bunch of useful resources that don't fit neatly into the core playing sections, and it's where chess.com keeps several community and informational pages. If your window is narrow, the menu may compress a bit, but you should still see a More option somewhere in the header area. After opening the More menu, move your mouse over the Community section. Don't click yet, just hover. Hovering will reveal a submenu with community-focused pages. This is chess.com's hub for people-centered content. Clubs, forums, events, and the page we're looking for today. If you're on a touch device, tapping Community may show the same submenu. From that Community submenu, click on Top Players. This takes you straight to the leaderboards page. Here you'll find a ranked list of the strongest players on the platform, usually organized by time control, such as Blitz, Bullet, and Rapid, along with ratings and other relevant details. You might also see flags for player countries, their recent activity, and indicators that show how active or consistent they've been. The information updates frequently, so you're viewing current standings rather than a static list. That's all there is to it. Go to chess.com, click More, hover over Community, and select Top Players. In just a few clicks, you can see who's dominating the leaderboards at any given moment. If you want to come back to this page quickly in the future, you can bookmark it in your browser, but the path through the menu is always the same, and it's easy to remember. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, you now know exactly where to find the top competitors on chess.com and can check in anytime to see how the rankings evolve.